Here is an array of numbers, and we want to know how often each value shows up. 1 appears 3 times, 3 appears twice, 2 once, and 4 once. The slow way is to pick a value and scan the whole array counting it, then repeat for every value. Let's find something much faster. The trick is a hash map, which stores pairs of a key and a value. Our key is the number, and the value is how many times we have seen it so far. We walk the array a single time, and for each number we bump its count up by 1. Why is this fast? Because a hash map turns the key into a position in memory directly, so reading or updating a count takes order one time, no scanning. One pass over the array and every frequency is ready. We start with an empty hash map called frec. For every value x in the array, we look up its current count with get defaulting to 0 if we have never seen it, add 1 and store it back. After the single pass, frec holds every value together with how many times it appeared. Let's build the frequency counter live, one block at a time. First the function and an empty hash map to hold each value together with its running count. Walk the array once. For each value, take its current count, defaulting to 0, and add 1. After the single pass, return the map holding every value and how often it appeared. Now let's test it and hit run. There we go. 1 appears 3 times, 3 twice, and 2 and 4 once each, all from a single pass over the array. The shape is simple. Start with an empty map. While there are values left, take the next one and increase its count by 1, then loop back. When the array is exhausted, return the map. How fast is this? We touch each of the n values once, and every hash map update is order 1, so the whole thing is order n time. The space is order n as well, because in the worst case, every value is different, and the map holds all of them. A few things to keep in mind. Use get with a default of 0, so the very first time you see a value, its count starts cleanly. Remember the keys come out in the order they first appeared, not sorted. And a hash map happily counts strings or other hashable values too, not only numbers.